Hello everyone, this is Thelma, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Fatima College. In this video, you will be learning about the silkworm disease, pebrine. The protozoan disease of silkworm is called pebrine because of the characteristic pepper-like black spots appearing on the infected silkworm. The disease is caused by the infection of the protozoan Nosema bombycis. In India, three virulent strains have been identified. They are NIK2R, NIK3H, and NIK4. The life cycle of the parasite is completed within a single host, the silkworm. There are two stages in the life cycle, a resistant spore stage, which is the infective stage, and the second stage is the vegetative stage. Mode of transmission. There are three modes by which the disease could be transmitted. The first route is through oral transmission. In this mode, the spores liberated by the infected larvae contaminate the mulberry leaves in the rearing bed. These leaves, when consumed by other healthy larvae, they get contaminated. The next mode of transmission is through contact, when the spores from the contaminated bed enters the skin of the silkworms. The third mode is through trans-ovarial route that happens during the fifth instar stage. The adult moth that emerges normally will have the infection in the oocyte that pass on to the eggs. The hatching percentage of the infected eggs is very low. However, the larvae dies before attaining the third instar stage. Symptoms. All stages of Bombyx mori are affected by the pebrine spores. Pebrine affected eggs. The infected eggs have insufficient or irregularly deposited glue and hence detach from the egg card. Overlapping of eggs in the card indicates pebrine infection. Eggs fail to hatch. Pebrine affected larvae succumb to the disease and die, but grown-up larvae may survive to pupation and moth emergence. Symptoms of the disease appear only in the late stage of infection. In the early stage of infection, pebrine can be inferred by loss of appetite, unequal growth, irregular molting in the rearing bed. In the late stage of infection, black spots appear on the body of 4th and 5th instar larvae. Spinning larvae spit and waste the silk without spinning a cocoon. Pebrine affected pupa. Though infected cocoons appear normal, the pupa inside shows symptoms of pebrine infection. The body is swollen and black in color, and also black spots are present on the sides of the abdomen. Pebrine affected moth. Irregular, decolorized patches are seen on the body and wings. Scales fall off easily. Black spots may be seen on the abdomen. Deformed antennae, unstretched and deformed wings, low fecundity. Eggs are laid in irregular heaps. Control measures. In grainages, only disease-free layings, that is, the eggs free of any disease, should only be allowed for rearing. Diseased larvae, if found any, should be removed and burnt immediately. All the rearing appliances, including the rearing room, should be disinfected with 4 to 5% formalin solution or by spreading bleaching powder. Other than bleaching powder, disinfection agents such as benomyl, bavustin, and Bengard can also be used. Rearing of disease-resistant races of Bombyx like Nystari can also be considered as an alternative measure. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for listening.